Stop awkwardly reaching for that shifter knob like a T-Rex. The Mustang Geek Easy Shift Adjustable Handle Extension Kit places the shifter knob within easy reach for better ergonomics, improved shifting accuracy, and fewer missed shifts. If you've installed a short throw shifter on your Mustang, you know what we're talking about. This kit is essential for use with racing harnesses that limit the driver's ability to reach most short throw shifters and stubby handles. The extension bracket features holes for 6 unique shifter handle positions, including a 30-degree layback and up to 2.5 inches rearward and 1 3/4 inches higher. It's precision laser cut from 1/4 inch thick 304 stainless steel for durability and corrosion resistance. Hardware is included to accommodate most OEM and aftermarket shifters and handles for 1983 to 2004 Mustangs, including Tremec T5, T5, T56, and 3650 transmissions. Now available from Mustang Geek.